Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you're doing fabulous. So today we're gonna look at the pH, the alkalinity of the following. We have tap water, reverse osmosis, well water, and spring water. And we have the acid alkaline chart. 5.5 is acidic and 8 is alkaline. So just to note, I don't have distilled water here. Maybe for the next experiment we'll have it. So this first one, this is tap water, and tap water has chlorine and fluoride in it. Reverse osmosis, this is what I have in my house. This is takes out the chlorine and the fluoride. And then we have well water, which this is from Canada. So this well water is just outside the city to where I live. And then the last one is the spring water. And then we're gonna compare them all to see which one has the highest alkalinity. Comment down below if you know the answer. So tap water and reverse osmosis actually are quite similar. Well water has quite a bit of alkalinity, but spring water takes the cake. Spring water is like the cherry on top of the plant-based cake. And I'm quite shocked with the reverse osmosis compared with the tap water. Don't have you know, as much alkalinity as I thought it would, the reverse osmosis. When you compare it, it's about, I don't know, I would say 6.2, 6.4 maybe. So it's got some more acidity in there. And then the spring water looks like it's about 7.4. So if I'm doing a water fast, I think I'm gonna choose the spring water. Looks like it's top notch, as well as the well water. So we'll do another one of these videos, but I'll include the distilled water. And if you guys have any tips and tricks, please leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to hear from you. And I hope you're doing well. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, be alkaline, be yourself.